Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, we're going to talk about different exercises and really specific creative prompts that you can do to tap into your creativity. And it doesn't matter what kind of art you're making, whether you're drawing in a sketchbook, composing music, writing. Creativity thrives when given a direction or challenge to overcome. And this video is going to show you a series of practical exercises and prompts that are designed to spark your creativity, push your boundaries, and provide new avenues for artistic exploration. The first is the 5 senses exercise, and the purpose of this is to enhance observational skills and sensory detail in your work. First, choose an ordinary object or scene. Spend a few minutes experiencing it through each of your 5 senses: sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. Write or create an art piece based on these observations, focusing on the sensory details. The second exercise is called the restriction game. And the purpose of this is to foster creativity within constraints. And to do this, set a strict limitation for your next project. For example, if you're writing a poem, try to do it without using the letter E. Drawing using only one shape, a photo taken from a single spot. The restriction forces you to think differently and come up with innovative solutions. The third exercise is transformation challenge, and the purpose of this is to practice adaptability and see potential in everything. To do this, take a piece of your existing work and transform it into something completely different. A poem becomes a painting, a drawing becomes a sculpture, or a photo inspires a dance. This helps you see the interconnectedness of all creative forms. The fourth is the mashup, and the purpose of this is to combine different elements into a cohesive whole. To do this, choose 2 unrelated subjects or themes and create a piece that unites them. This could mean writing a story that fuses science fiction and ancient mythology, or painting a landscape that incorporates urban and natural elements. The fifth is role reversal, and the purpose of this is to view your work from a new perspective. To do this, think, if you usually create very detailed work, try something abstract. If you're a meticulous planner, try improvising and being more spontaneous with your work. Switching your usual approach can lead to unexpected discoveries that can actually really transform your work in a good way. The 6th exercise is memory lane. The purpose of this is to draw inspiration from personal history. So create a piece based on a vivid memory you have. Focus on capturing the emotions and maybe the atmosphere of the moment. This can provide a deep well of emotional and narrative depth to your work. The 7th exercise is continuous creation. And the purpose of this is to maintain creative flow and overcome the fear of the blank page. To do this, set a timer for a short period, say 15 minutes, and create nonstop until the time is up. No pausing to think or edit, just continuous creation. This helps to silence the inner critic and really encourages spontaneity in your work, no matter what medium you do. Regularly engaging with these activities can help keep your creative muscles strong and ready to tackle any artistic challenge. And most importantly, it helps you change how you approach your work. So look back on these exercises and maybe use them to just switch up your normal routine when you come to making your art. I hope you like this video. If you like this subject of creativity, I have another video on the myths and misconceptions of creativity, and you can check it out here. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.